woman, you know, you pick her up, she like, wow, your car's shiny. I guarantee you, man, the girl ain't gonna say, what kind of paint is this? Is this PPG? Like, I normally only date guys with PPG paint on their car.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, boy, Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here, the car salesman auction guy, El Cheapo. El Cheapo, we're going with a single stage on this. This is the second overall from him this week. Since I got back from vacation, first it was that green Porsche, which was base coat, clear coat. This here's gonna be single stage. 2 quarts of single stage. I already had a little activator, so we had activator in there already. Yeah, so two quarts of Nason single stage. $99.99, man, that's where we at with it. We're hitting them with the Mako, nah, not even Mako. Mako do a little better than that these days. Well, we hitting him with the whoever, you know what I'm saying? He getting the El Cheapo special. I'm gonna hit it with the LPH 400, silver cap 1.4. Gonna hit him at about 25 PSI. Normally 21, 22 I go with, but on the single stage, to get a nice little finish, I usually hit it at about 25 PSI, right at the gauge, you know what I'm saying? That's how I do it. I'm sure you do it a lot better, a lot different, yeah. Yeah, man, so, the fuck is that? Oh, oops, excuse me, like, yeah, so that's it, front, back bumper, and the car. Got the gas cap sitting right there. Gas cap sitting right there. Yeah, man, so we're gonna get to it. We're gonna make it quick. It's almost time to get up out of here. Got about an hour. So we're hitting them with the 1-2, man. It's El Cheapo. He don't tip. He don't, thank you, he don't do none of that. So he gets no extra love. That's all he gonna get, man. We about to get to it. Bye. All right. Let's slow it down. All that trap music, bebop stuff. Let's slow it back down. Let's get the pace. Hey, man, yeah, back in the lab. This damn car salesman auction guy. I don't know how much he paid for this one, but it couldn't have been no more than 50 cents, man. Cause the boss went El Cheapo on him for real, so yeah, I don't know what it was. I just know what it is. And this $99 paint job he getting here, man. He specifically gave me that paint, told me that's it, don't put no more. Give him a coat and a half if you can, and that's it. When this car came in, the car was completely, it was just taken apart, like everything. It wasn't nothing on the car. Only thing was on the car was the damn roof, which is a convertible. But that's it, man. The car was completely stripped down. The fenders were off. The hood was off. They brought it in off a trailer. And I just heard him in the office there going back and forth with El Cheapo. And then the dude had the nerve to be like, oh, and I need it done, by next week. I'm like, man, come on, man. You already being extra cheap and you want something fast. Get you a Chuck Norris kicking your ass, which you'll get. But yeah, so again, I use the LPH on this here. That's my go-to gun with these single stages. Like I said, I know right where to set it. It's at 25 PSI. Just about full fluid. It's turned in maybe a half a turn, not one full turn, full fan. And I mean, I nail these single stages like that all the time. It's pretty much set it and forget it, Yeah, those of you spraying single stages, Let me know your method, which gun you use. I know don't nobody like single stage, but you know, some of us in the shops, you know, it's what the owner wants us to spray. That's what we got to spray. I got a guy on the channel, James. James, if you're listening, tap in inside the comment section. Tap in with me. He hit me up the other day. He just got a job spraying airplane parts. Boy, that's a tongue twister. Airplane parts. And he hit me up like, yo, Trigger, man, any kind of recommendations on spraying this here, you know, single stage or whatever? And I basically, like I said, man, like I told you, James, it's basically clear coat with color, you know. It will run. If you try to get it too heavy, too fast, it will run. It will take off on you real fast. So just play with the material, do the first couple jobs, kind of, you know, on the cautionary side. Be cautious because it will run easy. To me, this stuff runs faster than actual clear coat. But you spray it just like clear coat. Don't try to get all the coverage in the first coat until you're comfortable with it. You know, like you see me going here, it's like pretty much as I go down that door, like it's covered, you know. I just go back up with it and go over it just to give a little extra something on there, but that's pretty much it. And you just do the same thing, however many coats you're gonna give. If you're gonna give a total of 1 coat, that's it. If you're gonna give 2, you do the same thing again, and that's it. I mean, you'll see at the end, this stuff flows out. And again, ideally, this isn't, you know, the greatest paint job by any means necessary. Not even close to it. You know, they'll get a couple years out of it. It serves its purpose for whatever job, you know. Again, you know, you got a used car guy or you got a buddy of yours, you know, and they just want something cheap and like, man, look, I only got $400 to spend. You know, you want to help them out. They want to help you out, give you a couple dollars. So it's like, it works for certain situations, but it's definitely not nothing you want to do, you know, and warranty it, you know, for insurance companies. It definitely won't work for that. But certain cases, it'll work, man. It'll work. So you got this chick, man, this chick you dating, you know. She like, oh, you a good painter. Can you paint my car? And you don't know how long you're going to be dating her. Or you don't know if she dating some other guy, you know what I mean? You're like, yeah, I got you, baby. I got you. I got you, baby. Yeah, paint your car. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to go put that high dollar stuff on there, man. Come on, you going to let her shine for a little bit. Most likely she going to wind up cheating anyway. And then when the car fade on her, then she riding around with a faded paint job with a new boyfriend, you know what I mean? So you won, you know, so. Hey, man, let me stop, man. But y'all get my drift, man. You get my drift. Something cheap, it's something quick. I'm talking about 10 minutes, man. I sprayed this car in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. See that one canister? That's one canister, 2 canister. That's it, man. Whole paint job. I know some people gonna talk some shit, man, but I don't care. I know y'all. I know plenty of y'all agree with me. Like for the right case, this'll work, man. Ain't nothing wrong with this. You know. You see your ex riding by. You got a new boyfriend. The Trump face. Hey, man, let me stop, man. Let me stop. But yeah, but nah, it will get you some years though. It will get you some years. I painted plenty of them here, man, at this shop, dozens, and they last years. You know what I'm saying? Like being straight up with you, they last for some years. And if you really want to get jiggy with it, let it sit for a month or so. Go back, get you some 800 it, and then go ahead and put you some good clear on it, man. Put you some clear, and that'll work, you know, and that'll work. then you're really straight. You know what I'm saying? You put just some good clear on there. Wait a couple months, let it get hard. Hit it with some 800. Do not burn through, cause you burn through, then man, you in trouble then. So just don't burn through it. But yeah, so it works all different type of ways, man. You know, different type of things you can do with it. You know, that's an option. Let it sit for a month or so, 2 months, get real hard, hit it with some 6, clear coat it. Sucker look good. Sucker will look good. And if you're gonna go that route, if somebody is listening to me and you decide to do that, just be sure not to use a clear that requires a reducer. As many of you know, I don't like putting reducer in clear anyway. But if you were to go back and clear this in a couple months, if you did put a little reducer in it, it may cause it to react at certain spots. You know, I've seen that happen. I've had that happen. So you just gotta kind of be careful with it. And yeah, just get like a good clear. It doesn't require any type of reducer. Just a 2-to-1 high solids. Pound it on there, 2 coats, 3 coats, and it'll be showroom floor, man. That's my word. I mean, it looks good now. It's gonna look good. You'll see it when I pull it out the booth. It looks damn good by itself the way it is, but it ain't gonna last. You know, it will not last. Especially in Florida, that sun beating down on that sucker every day, all day, 100+ degrees. Not even a chance. This Florida heat, man, it melt dashboards here. So you know paint don't stand a chance, man. So it won't hold up, you know. Put you some good clear coat on there, and you'll be good. I say in New York, you'll be good money, son. You'll be good money, son. Trigger man. Man, what the hell you goddamn talking about, son? Come on, Trigger. Ain't nobody talking like that, man. Man, Trigger, I don't even know what to say on this one, brother. I mean, oh boy, I'm not even gonna bother. I was gonna say something earlier. You got like a door handle stuck in there still, and no door handle. The car came to you with nothing on it, and you put it together and then paint like, oh man, like you could have just painted the car all apart and then put it together, you know? Like that's the professional. That's how those other guys do it, man. You know, like I don't know, Trigger, man. Sometimes, man, I just sit back and just shake my head, Trigger. Like, what the hell's this guy be doing, man? Something ain't right with this guy, man. He just be, I don't know, man. I don't know, Trigger. Anyway, man. Got no door handle on that side. The other side got door handle. Like, unsubscribe. Yeah, this is that car. This is that car. All right. That's what we're looking like next morning. Early in the morning. Is what we're looking like right out the booth. Not too shabby. Could be better, could be worse. We'll go with that. We will go with that. We will go with that. I say you got your little friend. He want to get some quick paint on his car, something cheap. You know, you guys come to that agreement, that arrangement that, you know, it's just a single stage paint. It's not going to last forever. And you make that understood. And they go with the, you know, they agree with it. You know, this will get you a couple years. If you keep it waxed, maybe even garaged, you'll go way beyond those couple years, you know? You go way beyond that. And this ain't bad. For $100 goddamn paint job. $100 paint job. I mean, come on, man. Like, for real. In 10 minutes. 10 minutes of 10 minutes of spraying. $100 worth of material. Maybe $120 if you need the activator. But hey, man, you can't beat that. Then you want to get real super sporty, get you a set of wheels put on this sucker. Come on, man. Come on, man. What girl, what chick is gonna turn that down? You go pick up a little girl, man, you know what I'm saying? You go pick up your woman, a new woman, you know. You pick her up. She like, wow, your car's shiny. I guarantee you, man, the girl ain't gonna say, what kind of paint is this? Is this PPG? Like, I normally only date guys with PPG paint on their car, you know? Is it DuPont? Cause, you know, I don't, you know, is it this? Is it Sherwin-Williams? Cause I don't date, man, ain't nobody looking at that kind of stuff except people who think they can paint and be watching YouTube channels and like to troll and say something negative. When you out in the real world, man, girl be like, man, you really take care of your car. Girl be like, man, that's a pretty nice car, you know? Or your boyfriend, you got a boyfriend, you go pick up your boyfriend, you know. Y'all just into that, you know what I'm saying? We don't discriminate here. Make no mistake, this is not Rainbow Ranch. Rainbow Ranch is a little bit further south. But everyone's welcome, you know? So, yeah, whatever case it is, man, you pick up your partner, you know? They don't mind this here, man. They're gonna be like, wow, he really takes care of his stuff. Yeah, you know? And that's it, man. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. And again, it's not gonna last forever. It's not meant to last forever. But if you wax it, take care of it, even garage kept, man, this thing will last you years upon years upon years upon years, you know? It will. So that's it, man. Just a little El Cheapo paint job for the car salesman, auction guy. And yeah, the sun's starting to come out now. But yeah, man, just something for the sales guy, auction guy, El Cheapo, you know. You can't beat it, man. And that ain't just me talking, because I did it, but you can't beat it. The time it took to spray it, the material, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. But anyway, it's your boy Trigger Man signing off. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Again, it's glad to be back off of that long vacation, long stretch for the holidays. But it's time to get back to business. So catch y'all in the next one. Yay. So that's gonna do it on this one, man, for the car salesman auction guy. Another El Cheapo. And again, man, this works in certain situations. It's not for everything, you know, but if you got someone that agrees with it for the right price, hey, not everybody has, you know, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $20,000 to spend on a paint job, you know. People got kids, daycare, got a wife, they got a girlfriend on the side. Like, anybody got money to be putting all that out, man, for no paint job. So your boy Trigger signing off on this one. I ask that you would please like, share, subscribe. I ask that you would also please tell a friend. And after doing so, if you could please tell his girlfriend. Peace.